Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to set up the camera on Sony Xperia device. Okay, let's get to the tutorial. Alright, you can open the camera app on your device. Okay, and then for those of you who like the ultra wide feature, you can find it by tapping the following option twice. And then the ultra wide feature will be applied. And then to lock the focus, you can tap the camera screen right on an object like this. And then adjust the brightness by tapping the brightness icon above. And you can adjust the brightness of your photo by dragging it like this. Okay, after that, there are also several modes that you can use. Okay, click on the modes below, and several options will appear that you can use. First, portrait selfie. This option is perfect for those of you who really like taking selfies. And then, Google Lens. You can use to search for image information on Google. And then, slow motion. Here you can record videos with a slow rate of up to 120 fps. Okay, and then the manual option. Here you can set the photo mode you want by dragging the several options here. Next, here is the creative effect feature, where you can choose one of the unique effects to apply to your photos. Okay, finally there is the panorama mode, where you can use this feature to put multiple photos together in one frame or to take long photos. And this feature is much favored by content creators. Well, that's the tutorial on how to set up the camera on Sony Xperia device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel.